Never assume a Toyota Corolla is bulletproof. Even the 2018 model has a few weak spots that most owners don't see coming. If you're driving a 2018 Toyota Corolla or thinking about buying one, you need to know where problems can show up, what they sound like, and how serious they really are. Some are small annoyances. Others, they can turn into safety risks if ignored. Let's break it all down so you know exactly what you're dealing with. Let's start with suspension and brakes. Some owners notice squeaking or creaking from the front suspension, sometimes before 50,000 miles. That's about 80,000 kilometers. It usually sounds like an old rocking chair when you go over bumps or turn slowly into a driveway. In many cases, the cause is worn lower suspension arm bushings or dry components. It's not always dangerous, but it can affect ride comfort. And if ignored too long, worn parts can lead to uneven tyre wear. Now the brakes. A few drivers reported brake pads and rotors wearing out earlier than expected. You might hear squeaking or even grinding. Sometimes the pedal feels weaker than it should. Brakes are not something you gamble with. If you hear noise or feel vibration, get them checked. Most of the time it's just normal wear, but catching it early saves money and keeps you safe. Next up, electrical systems and infotainment. This one frustrates a lot of people. Some 2018 Corolla owners complained about the radio freezing, rebooting, or the touchscreen not responding at all. Imagine trying to change the station and the screen just stares back at you. In some cases, a software update fixes it. In others, the head unit needs replacement. There have also been reports of power windows not working, dashboard display glitches, or random lighting issues. These problems are often traced back to fuses, switches, or wiring. They're not extremely common, but when they happen, they're annoying. And if it involves lights or signals, it becomes a safety issue. Now let's talk about something more serious, the engine and fuel system. In 2020, Toyota issued a recall for certain vehicles, including the 2018 Corolla due to faulty fuel pumps. A bad fuel pump can cause the engine to hesitate, lose power, or even stall while driving. Think about that. You're in traffic, and the engine suddenly cuts out. That's not just inconvenient, that's dangerous. If you own one, make sure the recall repair has been completed. You can check with a Toyota dealer using your VIN number. The fix is free if it was part of the recall. Outside of the fuel pump issue, some stalling cases have been linked to ignition or intake system problems. If your Corolla struggles to start, shakes at idle, or randomly loses power, don't brush it off. Overheating is another rare but serious issue. A faulty thermostat, coolant leak, or broken radiator fan can cause engine temperatures to rise fast. If you see that temperature gauge climbing, don't keep driving. Overheating can destroy an engine in minutes. Now the transmission. Some drivers have reported clunky or delayed shifting, especially going into second gear. A few say it feels worse in hot weather. It's not a widespread failure, but if your Corolla jerks or hesitates between gears, get it checked early. Transmission repairs are not cheap, and small problems can grow fast. Let's talk about comfort, the air conditioning. Several owners mentioned the AC not blowing cold air or making strange noises. Often it's a refrigerant leak, a weak compressor, or an electrical fault. In hot climates, that's not just uncomfortable, it's miserable. The good news? Most AC problems can be fixed without replacing the entire system if caught early. And finally, safety systems. There was also a recall involving the airbag control unit in some 2018 Corollas. A faulty unit could disable airbags and seatbelt pretensioners. That's a big deal. If recall work wasn't completed, those systems might not work in a crash. Again, this is something you can verify quickly with a dealer. Now here's the key moment. None of these problems mean the 2018 Corolla is a bad car. In fact, compared to many other compact sedans, it still ranks high in reliability. The 2018 Toyota Corolla is generally dependable, fuel efficient, and affordable to maintain. But like any machine, it has weak spots: suspension noise, early brake wear, infotainment glitches, possible fuel pump recalls, and a few transmission or AC complaints. Stay on top of them, and this car can easily serve you for years without drama. If you want to avoid expensive surprises, knowledge is your best tool.